Baking bread. Although Romans enjoyed themselves every afternoon with some spectacle or the bath, the morning was a busy time for work. Thousands of slaves toiled at the stone mills in the bakeries. Corn was poured into the top of a large millstone, through which a hole led it to the lower millstone. The slaves pushed the upper stone round and round by means of wooden bars set into it. As the corn was ground into flour, it was run into baskets and taken over to wooden troughs. In these it was made up into round loaves and shovelled into an enormous brick oven, beneath which a fire of wood was kept blazing. As each batch of loaves rose and turned a nice crisp brown outside, it was shovelled out and a new batch put in. There were always people ready to collect the fresh loaves and take them to the food shops, or sell them round the houses. They carried them in baskets on their backs.